improve myself to be better. Do you think changing myself is so hard?
Bad habits are difficult to break, but that doesn't mean it's impossible. It's a slow process and you need to be patient and disciplined yourself. Every small change will help you make progress gradually. If you try hard enough, you will receive good results.
Why do I often fail to implement my plans?
There are times I feel like I can't do what I say. I make promises to myself and set goals full of excitement, but eventually, I choose to give up due to my laziness.
What motivates you to keep trying despite failures?
I am a daydreamer and always want the best for myself. The feeling of being judged by others is truly unpleasant, so I realize that I need to work harder for a happier and more fulfilling life.
Do you think health affects the process of self-improvement?
Never take your health lightly. Without good health, you won't be able to enjoy success or even the simple joys of life. Whether you succeed or fail, always make your health a top priority.